Okay, little update on the chicken run.
Okay, so we'll go back down this end now. We need to put a barrier around the bottom outside edge of the chicken run to keep raccoons and other animals from digging underneath. So our wire is much wider than we need, but we needed the taller for the outside and the top. So we're just gonna cut double or half the length of what we need to go around the bottom, and then
Wait a minute, we're doing math now.
Woo!
Life skills math.
Yeah. Half of what I need to go all the way around the bottom because it's twice as wide. So once I've got the half length cut, I'll roll it back up, and then I have a little wire cutter saw, so I don't have to use this to cut all that.
Okay.
And I will cut down the center of it while it's rolled into a tight roll. That will be a lot easier.
It'll be more efficient than doing it by hand, yeah.
Yeah.
So just in case you weren't... Hi guys, say hi. So just in case you weren't sure what we were talking about, on the edges here we don't want raccoons and things like that getting underneath. So it's going to come out 3 feet from there, and then essentially we're going to secure it to the ground. And then over time grass and will grow up through there. And then it'll keep animals from coming in and eating our poultry. So there we go. Got a little backyard fire going. It's a pretty nice evening. And we even did a little life skills math. Look at us go. Hi, Rapunzel.